Hey, class, how we doing today? Um, what week is it? It's week 6. You all are surviving. Way to go. Whew. Couple things we need to talk about. One, it's exam 2 this week. It will be available on Wednesday. The reason I'm making it available on Wednesday and not today is so that you'll take some time to study for it, to go through and practice some problems. Um, Make sure you know how to do work. Be sure to have some time to ask some questions, either via ReggieNet or via the Remind app. Um, Again, just like the last exam, as you're taking the exam, you're going to be doing your work on a separate piece of paper. I'm going to have a separate place for you on ReggieNet to submit pictures of your work. Um, I like to see your work. If I don't see your work, I don't know how you're doing the math. So please, just like last time, do your work on a separate sheet of paper as you're working on the test. Be sure to take a picture of all your work and send it to me so that I can be sure to go through it. Okay. This week, let's see. This week also you have sections 4B, 4C, and 4D from the textbook to do and to turn in. That's due at midnight. Did I say that the test was due at midnight on Sunday? Test is due at midnight on Sunday. Homework is due on midnight at on at at midnight on Sunday. I had too much pie yesterday for Father's Day. Everything's due on Sunday at midnight. Discussion posts, homework, exam, and the work that you've done on your exam, the picture of the work you've done on your exam. I'm going to try and encourage you again. Remember, math is just practice. So practice your math. You're going to do fine. I've been looking at your posts. Your posts are looking great. Um, Y'all are going to do a great job. Okay, just take a deep breath and get in there and do your exam. Okay, we're almost there. Week 6, then we have week 7 and week 8, and then the final, and we're done. And you never have to see my corny videos again. Aren't you lucky? All right, well, have a great week. Keep your head up. Please contact me if you have any questions, and we'll be talking to you.